Hello, in this video we will see how we can add a DMARC record in our domain so we can prevent our emails going into spam folder. So in the recent update of Google, they announced that to prevent emails going to spam, you will have to add a DMARC record in your domain. I also received an email from Shopify because I have a store on Shopify, so they told me that I will have to add a DMARC record in domain, otherwise they will change my email address. So I do not want that, and I do not want my email to go to spam as well. For that I will have to go to my domain registrar. So here you can see my domain, and here I will have to go to manage, and here we will have to go to advanced DNS. And now let's go back to the article by Google, and here if you will scroll down, you will see this thing over here. So they say that you will have to add a txt record, and the host name will be this thing _DMARC in small letters, and you will also have to add the value, and the value is v equal to DMARC1 semicolon p equal to none. This is the default value that you will have to add. If you want to change the p value, like you want your emails, so this will add the email to spam and this will reject the email. So if you want something like that, then you can use them. However, they are not recommended, so you can use the default thing, which is v equal to DMARC1 p equal to none. So we will go to the DNS, we will scroll down, and here you will have to add a new record, and here you will have to select txt and then come back, and here you will have to copy this thing without the dot and go back, and here under host you can write this, and then again go back, and here you can copy this thing which is the default, so you can copy it and you can paste it in the value. So this thing will remain same for you as well, so you can add it. I have already added it, and we can cancel it because I have already added it. And when you have added it, then you can go to this website demarcian.com/DMARC-inspector. Here you will have to scroll down, and here you can write your domain and click on inspect the domain, and here you will see hooray, your DMARC record is valid. So you may not see this message, and you may see an error on the first attempt, so you can check that after 30 minutes or like an hour, and then it will say it's valid. If it does not work, then you will have to contact your hosting provider and you will have to ask them to check your DMARC record, so they can tell you how you can fix the issue. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also I will create a new video because some domain registrar may tell you that you will have to change it from your cPanel, so I will address that issue in later on in the video.